Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from photos on iPhone. So first of all, let me just go to my iPhone gallery here and let's say this is the photo here. I want to remove the background off. All you have to do is long press on the subject and this works best for photos of people and animals. So you want to touch somewhere along the face and then when you release you will see the option add sticker to copy this or to share. Now if you tap on share from the share menu, you can go and tap on this save image and that's going to get saved as an image without a background. Now to find it, you might have to scroll all the way to the bottom because it's going to be in your most recent image. As you can see, that's our image without the background and this one is the original. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.